In this video, we will create our first C++ program, a Hello World program. If you are new to programming, it is a tradition when learning a new programming language to start out by outputting Hello World to the console. At the top of the code, we will type #include, and then the word IOStream inside of angular brackets. This imports functionality that we can use pertaining to input and output. In particular, we are interested in outputting the value Hello World to the console for this program. #include tells the program to include a header file, which contains some code that we can use in our program. The name of the header file always goes inside of angular brackets, as seen here. Next, we need to tap into C++'s main function, which we can do by typing int main, and then a set of parentheses immediately after the word main. To define the body of the main function, we add an opening and closing curly brace. Int is the return type of the function. If the program doesn't have any errors, this function will return 0. The main function is the entry point of our program, defining where the code should begin when we run the program. Now we still need to actually output the phrase Hello World to the console. To do this, we will use a cout statement, a standard output stream. We will type std, which is how we reference the standard library, and then 2 colons. After that comes cout, and then 2 less than signs or opening angular brackets. This is the put2 operator, which will be discussed in more detail in the next section of the course. We will type Hello World inside of double quotes, which represents the string data type. To end a line of C++ code, we use a semicolon. If we run the code, notice that the console opens up and displays Hello World, the message that we printed to it. Nice job.